Hey guys, it's Lola and Billy Bob Brittany. Billy Bob Swagster.
Yeah.
Pardon me. We are making breakfast, or at least I'm not making it. That's my sister. Right there.
You
Right
lost her.
there. And that's your boyfriend. It's Sean.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Meow.
What's a... I didn't know a cupcake eating dinosaur can make videos.
They can't actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's just one thing that you never knew.
Oh, really?
Cat noise.
Well, with
cat
the
noise,
Tyrannosaurus
cat noise.
Rex, they have those little arms, you know? And
Yeah,
Hey,
they do have
I
little
went
arms.
to whatever they're called.
But I'm a plesiosaurus, even though I don't really like water.
Or Plesiosaurus?
Yeah, a plesiosaurus.
I didn't know there was such a thing.
What's
My
it-
name's
Yeah. It's technically what the Loch Ness Monster would
Did you
be.
taste one?
If it does
Pretty
exist,
good.
anyways. Breakfast. I love it. Alright, well, that was a very short video. Ready to close it?
Rawr.
Rawr.
Rawr. Rawr.
Cat noise.
Rawr.
Cat noise.
Meow.
Cat noise. Cat noise. Cat noise. Alright, see you guys.
Dog growl.
Bye.